Hi everyone. You may have noticed that I've been doing the weekly updates as of late. Unfortunately, Councillor Brent Carter has been unwell, but thankfully he's on the mend and should return to his role soon. This week, I wanted to share some exciting updates about what's happening in Merthyr Tydfil. First up, half term is just around the corner, and we've got some fantastic things planned for families. Cyfarthfa Castle and Park, libraries and community centres across the county borough are hosting fun Halloween events. Think spooky scarecrow trails, creative arts and crafts, and community parties that'll keep the kids entertained. And parents, I've got some great news. Several local restaurants are offering kids' meal deals. Asda, Harvester, Pausa Cafe in Dunelm, Pizza Hut, Subway and Tesco are all participating in the Kids Eat Free or for £1 meal initiative. Perfect for keeping the little ones fed during half term. Yesterday, the Young Leaders event took place at Merthyr Tydfil Leisure Centre, where primary school students came together to develop leadership skills in sports. These young people are our future, and seeing their potential is truly exciting. This week marked the 59th anniversary of the Aberfan disaster. As a community, we continue to remember and honour those we lost. Their memory remains deeply etched in our hearts. Take care everyone and enjoy half term. Diolch yn fawr.